The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2024 Toyota Tacoma double cab short bed. We've just installed the Yakima BaseLine rack system. This is using the Yakima JetStream load bar, 50 inches in length, in black, shown here. Silver is also available. The BaseLine towers, which come in a set of 4, and base clips 180 for the front and 180 for the rear. Overall, you have a crossbar spacing of 32 inches center to center, and a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. So this is a no-drill installation and a great rack for all different types of gear, whether it's cargo, bicycles, paddle boards, kayaks, awnings, pretty much everything except for rooftop tents. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.